My name is Archie White. I've been doing Health and Social Care Level 3. This is my first year in this course. With the course I'm doing so far this year, my favourite part has been doing with learning about all the different disclosures of abuse and everything like that so far this year. But at the moment we're also doing the food hygiene and everything, which I was saying I'm really enjoying. But I'm most looking forward to next year because that's when we start learning about physical care, like how they do care in a hospital, which is what I'm planning to go into when I finish college and uni after that, because I'm wanting to go into being a nurse. This year my tutors have been Jake, who I also had last year, so I get on well with him as a tutor. He's really good at teaching the course as it is, straight out. He tells you what you have to learn, and he also tries to give examples about it in everyday scenarios because he works as a domiciliary carer. Once I finish here and university afterwards, I want to go into nursing, either on the emergency ward where it's just they come in and you help them right then and there, or I'm not sure about the other one, either that one or helping some long-term patients but more on the younger side, like my age range.